Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's talk about the holiday hours coming up because they are different. The stock market is closed tomorrow for the Labor Day holiday. The futures do open tonight. That's Sunday, September 1st. Welcome to a new month. And they will close early, though, on Monday, then reopen normal time Monday evening. And from that point forward, we are on regular hours. Now, why do we care about this? We care about this if you happen to be an Apex trader that is working toward an evaluation or working toward your first or next payout because you need a certain number of days. Now, granted, you can pass in one day these days for the Apex evaluations, so that may or may not impact you, but you definitely need 10 days for the payouts. So if you were to trade Sunday night or Monday morning, that's fine. You can boost your P&L potentially, but just know that that won't count as a trading day. It will all count as Tuesday trading day. So if you trade Sunday, if you trade Monday, those are not considered trading days. All of that gets wrapped into Tuesday's trading day. So for those 3 days total, it's counting as one single trading day. Just a reminder on that. Hope you have a great holiday tomorrow. Apex is still offering their 80% off sale throughout this week and into next week, $35 resets. And just an FYI on the resets, make sure you're not paying more on your reset than you would be paying for a brand new account. I've been talking to some people recently and they're like, yeah, I just keep resetting. And really, they're paying more than they need to be paying. So you could sometimes, depending on what account size you have, get a brand new account for less than you would be paying for a reset. So just make sure the math makes sense. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.